Okay, so I missed a payment on this. It wasn't your fault. I guess it looks like I didn't get the statement or something. So basically what I need to do is I need to change this up a little, change something on here. So what I'm going to change up is, first of all, what I need you to do is when you get a chance, just go in here and change this and put the date first. So on this one you would put I'm just going to do this to help. Alright, so basically just put in here 11/14. Essentially what I want to do here is make, like, for you to be able to go here, sort this like that, and then it'll tell you, you know, when the last time we made a payment on. Like, for instance, this one looks like it might be late. I'm not sure. I have to check. But if you could go in here and you have all the ones that you have the dates, you can look at this every week or two. And if I'm missing something, then, you know, you can email me. But, so on some of these, it's not going to be applicable, like these ones that's NAA, but I'm going to start putting this in there, what days they paid. In the meantime, you can fix this and just put in there the date at the beginning. And the other thing is let me look here. Yeah, I mean, that's it. If you don't see something in here, then you need to let me know on the ones that don't say NA. Thank you.